Hi, my name is Christy Vukoder, and I'm excited to be your instructor for CTC 101 College Success at Post University. You've made an excellent decision by coming to Post, and I'm excited to work with you through your educational journey. I have a bachelor's and a master's degree from Seton Hall University in New Jersey. I have two teenage boys, a husband, and two dogs, and I live in Pennsylvania. I have been teaching in higher education for over 25 years, and I have been teaching online for 15 years. So I am excited to be on this journey with you. Please take the first few days to just navigate the classroom and get comfortable with what is where. You need to look around, you need to get comfortable. Before you know it, you'll be a pro. So review all of the announcements. Always reach out to me if you have any questions at all. You can find my information under the My Instructor tab on the left-hand side of the course. Good luck, and I'm excited to work with you.